Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So as you might have already guessed what I am going to talk about in this video. So yes, today I am gonna talk about marigold plant tips and cares and how to get large number of flowers in your marigold plant. So I will be discussing these tips in point-wise manner. So without any delay, let's get started. Basically, marigold flower plant is a winter flowering plant, but it can flower in summers also if given proper conditions and care. And it is also very easy to grow, and it can be grown through seeds as well as cuttings also. So point number 1 is to grow marigold plant, always choose the right size of pot. You can choose minimum of 8 to 9 inch pot and maximum 15 to 18 inch pot. As marigold plant has fibrous roots, so it will grow better if it is provided large space. So point number 2, once it is in growing stage, fertilize it with DAP or NPK 19:19:19 in every 10 days so that it grow healthier and can flower heavily. Actually, I was short of space to transplant the seedlings, so I used this Chandani flower plot also to grow marigold parallelly in the same pot. So coming to the third point is, once they start developing buds, try giving them mustard cake fertilizer or potash or superphosphate. If you are giving potash or superphosphate, make sure you dissolve half teaspoon in at least 5 liters of water and then give approximately 150 milliliters to each plant. Now you can see how beautiful these flowers are looking. They are very big and beautiful. This bulk flowering is only the result of rich soil and the right fertilizers that I gave to my plants. So you can see how beautifully they have bloomed. Coming to the fourth point, once they start flowering, you have to keep a check that there is no attack of mealybugs and black aphids. To be very honest and true, you cannot get rid of these two pest attacks, but you can minimize their attack to a lot more extent. To cure these two pest attacks, you can use neem oil solution with a little amount of isopropyl alcohol mixed in it, or you can also use pesticides like Theta or Simbush or Control with 8 to 10 drops in 1 liter of water and spray them thoroughly on your plants. If you are using neem oil solution or these pesticides, spray this in interval of every 4 days or 7 days till the attack minimizes. This way your plant will be safe from any kind of pest attacks. I am using control pesticide every 7 days to minimize the black aphids attack, and hence my marigolds are shining beautifully. Coming to the fifth point, even in their flowering stage, you need to fertilize them every 15 days with NPK or mustard cake fertilizer, or you can use DAP also, but make sure you fertilize them in early morning or late evening. Okay, if you are a flower lover, so you might also love watching pollinators attracted towards your flower. I mean, come on, this is one of the best feeling that I get when I see bees and other pollinators sucking nectar from flowers. Cause in these urban cities, it's very hard and rare to see these pollinators due to lack of green nature. I mean, you already have noticed this thing. Okay, so moving on to tip number 6, it is very important to remove spent flowers from the plant so that they should not take all the nutrients to prepare seeds. You have to remove these spent flowers like this so as to maintain the growth of the plant, and your plant should bloom a lot. But if you want seeds, you can leave those spent flowers, but it will reduce the flowering capacity and growth of the plant, as major portion of the nutrients will be going to the seed formation itself. But okay, it is up to your choice. I am leaving this flower for seeds, but I have removed all other spent flowers. Okay, so my last tip is to keep watering them when their soil seems dry, and don't make soil soggy by excessive watering. Your plant will reward you with beautiful flowers. So this is it for this video guys. I hope you would have liked this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you so much for watching this video till this end. It really means a lot to me. I'll see you in the next exciting video. Till then, take care, goodbye and keep growing with me.